Hi guys, welcome back to Sharkat. Today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can get salon style nails at home for less than $1. I'm going to be using this kit that I purchased from Walmart for $24. We have already used it 10 times and we can continue to use it for another 14 or even more, which is why it only costs less than $1 to do my nails every time. So I'm going to start by shaping her nails into an almond, and the kit does come with a filer, and a really good thing about doing your own nails at home is you control how much filing happens to your nail. Every time I've gone to the salon, somehow my nails become thinner and thinner every single time. As you guys can see, her nails are really strong and long, and this is why, because of this kit. She has been using this kit for about a month and it has helped her grow her nails as well as make them strong because she controls what gets filed and how much gets filed. After shaping all her nails, I'm going to go in with a gentle buffer and I'm just going to slightly roughen the top very little to prepare for the gel to go on top. After her nails have been prepped, I'm going to go in with the gel primer that's provided in the kit. And as you guys can see, I'm doing my sister's nails for the purpose of this video, but normally she does her own, I do my own, and this kit makes it so easy to do your own nails like a pro. I'm going in with the gel base coat and putting a very thin layer all over her nails. Now I'm going to be curing the gel base coat inside this LED lamp that comes with the kit for about 30 seconds. And now comes the exciting part, which is applying the gel color. I am using this hot pink that comes inside the kit, but this brand also sells different colors individually for about $6 or $7 at Walmart, and it's still a lot cheaper to buy different colors if you get bored with the same color than it is to get your nails done at a salon. So I'm going in with about 4 coats. After each coat, I cure it in the LED lamp and then I apply the next coat and I repeat this until I get the desired color as well as the desired thickness. After applying 4 coats of the gel color, I'm now going in with the top coat and I'm applying a very thin layer as well as applying some on the edges to avoid chipping. This top coat comes inside the kit, and after applying the layer, I'm going to be curing it in the lamp for about 30 seconds. The final step to these beautiful nails is to use the gel cleanser as well as these white napkins that are both provided in the kit to remove the sticky top layer after curing the top coat. Here is the final result. Look how good they look. Guys, I highly recommend you guys purchasing this kit. It is only $24. Honestly, if you're someone who gets their nails done every 2 weeks, using this kit once will pay it off. Yes, do try this kit out. Also, if you guys want more tips and tricks on how to save money, because I am a broke college student, so give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, write them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. And here is a little montage of another ASMR. Hope you guys enjoy.